Model Man Frank here. We're going to fly the BT-19. I'm sorry, not the BT-19, the BT-9 Yale. Enjoy the show, guys. Again, this is the BT-9. Enjoy the show. All right, guys, let's see how it goes. Here we go. Whoa, that was a close call. There is no wind. It would have been a great day for flying gliders, but this bird flies pretty well. Once it gets off the ground, it flies pretty well. It's just needs a little trimming out. I always have to make a wide turn. I know you guys can't see it when it's that far out. Bring it the opposite way. Alrighty, now we're gonna land. This is the last flight for today. We're gonna land, put it away, fix a couple of things on it, and start putting some markings on it because we can barely see it. That was a great flight, guys. This bird is ready to put some markings on. Definitely got to fly it when there's barely any wind. What a great flying little airplane. All right, guys, well, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and like and subscribe, and catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.